Welcome to Nature Wonders for You YouTube channel. Immerse yourself in the serene beauty of our planet with another enchanting episode. In this video, we invite you to join us on a captivating journey to the stunning Lake Thun in Switzerland. Nestled amidst the picturesque Bernese Oberland, Lake Thun is a jewel of tranquility, surrounded by majestic mountains and quaint villages. As we navigate the shores of this pristine alpine lake, prepare to be mesmerized by the breathtaking landscapes that unfold. From the early morning mist dancing delicately on the water's surface to the golden hues of sunset casting a warm glow over the Swiss Alps, Lake Thun reveals its ever-changing beauty throughout the day. Join us as we capture the essence of this natural masterpiece in every ripple, reflection, and mountain silhouette. Watch in awe as graceful swans glide across the crystal-clear waters, and marvel at the vibrant array of flora and fauna that call the lake home. Our lens will guide you through the hidden corners and scenic viewpoints, allowing you to appreciate the rich biodiversity and timeless charm of Lake Thun. Nature Wonders for You is more than a channel, it's an invitation to connect with the wonders of our world. Subscribe now and embark on a visual odyssey that celebrates the beauty, serenity, and majesty of Lake Thun. Let's explore together, embrace the tranquility, and discover the magic that nature has woven into every corner of this alpine paradise. Nature Wonders for You, where every video is a journey, and every journey is a celebration of the Earth's most extraordinary marvels. Join us by the water's edge and experience the wonders of Lake Thun like never before.
Like there's another path on the Grenadian path.
Lake Thun, in German, Thunner See, is an alpine lake in the Bernese Oberland in Switzerland named after the city of Thun, on its northern shore. At 48.3 square kilometers, 18.6 square miles, in surface area, it is the largest Swiss lake entirely within a single canton. The lake was created after the last glacial period. After the 10th century, it split from Lake Brienz, before which the two lakes were combined, as Wendel See, Lake Wendel. The culminating point of the lake's drainage basin is the Finsterohrhorn at 4,274 meters, 14,022 feet, above sea level. Lake Thun's approximate 2,500 square kilometers, 970 square miles, catchment area frequently causes local flooding after heavy rainfalls. This occurs because the river Ra, in German, Ra, which drains Lake Thun, has only limited capacity to handle the excess runoff. The lake is fed by water from Lake Brienz to the southeast, which is 6 meters, 20 feet, higher than Lake Thun, and various streams in the Oberland, including the Kander. In 1835, passenger steamships began operating regularly on the lake. 10 passenger ships, operated by the local railway company BLS AG like Blümlisalp, served the towns of Interlaken and Thun. The Interlaken Ship Canal and Thun Ship Canal connect the lake to Interlaken West Railway Station and Thun Railway Station respectively. Following World War II and up until 1964, the Swiss government disposed of unused munitions into Lake Thun. The quantity of munitions dumped is reported to be from 3,000 to more than 9,020 tons. Embedded within an imposing backdrop of mountains, the deeply blue Lake Thun lies on the northern periphery of the Alps, between the Bernese Oberland towns of Thun and Interlaken. Lake Thun is especially popular amongst sailors and windsurfers who appreciate the prevailing light breeze. Numerous swimming and shore areas invite visitors to cool off. A cruise on Lake Thun is an experience that also relaxes, whilst enjoying a fine meal, a glass of wine, or simply the glorious sunshine on deck. Your gaze will travel past along the attractive shore with its romantic villages, majestic historic castles, right up to the peaks of the Eiger, Mönch and Jungfrau. Comfortable saloon motor vessels and, as the crowning glory, the magnificently restored Blümlisalp paddlewheel steamship ferry passengers from Thun to Interlaken the whole year round. In addition to mouth-watering onboard menus and various special gourmet cruises, the larger vessels also offer attractions for children, be it a play cabin or a games corner with toys and crayons. Magical world of stone and water by Lake Thun, the St. Beatus Caves. The impressive St. Beatus Caves are located right by Lake Thun. Explore a world of water and stone, and see incredible stalactites and stalagmites. The gushing waterfalls, dramatic underground gorges and dripping walls will take your breath away. The Caves Museum presents interesting facts on the subject of cave exploration. Become an explorer yourself when you visit the St. Beatus Caves. The lake promises views of meadows, forests, alpine pastures and mountain peaks. One particularly memorable site is that of the Eiger, Mönch and Jungfrau. Another attraction of Lake Thun is the old-time steamer known as the Blümlisalp. On the relaxing 2-hour trip from Thun to Interlaken, take the chance to unwind and savor some culinary delights at the same time. The mountain landscape comprising the Niesen, Stockhorn and Niederhorn, plus the castles on the lake shore, is sure to delight every visitor. Around Lake Thun there are scores of idyllic villages to discover, and each has a charm of its own. Eski, a village above Lake Thun, offers a unique perspective of the deep blue waters and the surrounding landscape. On the opposite bank is Grizzle, where visitors can admire the breathtaking aspect of the Niesen, also known as the Swiss Pyramid. For those who want to see the water up close, Spitz or Oberhofen make perfect choices. Prefer to stroll to cultural attractions? Then the town of Thun doesn't disappoint. Find your favorite village to enjoy the perfect stay by Lake Thun. At any time of year, a boat trip on Lake Thun is a unique experience for those in search of an extra special panorama. The surrounding mountain peaks appear particularly impressive when seen from the water. In the winter, when the white peaks gleam, the mountains exert a truly magical magnetism. Softly but purposefully, the ship glides over the gentle waves as a fresh breeze gusts in your face, an experience guaranteed to blow stress away. In addition to the normal scheduled services, a variety of culinary cruises are offered all year round. Give your taste buds a treat aboard the fajita boat, or enjoy a balmy summer evening on the lounge ship OSC. Which cruise will you choose? Thank you for joining me on this mesmerizing journey around Lake Thun. If you enjoyed the scenic beauty and tranquility as much as I did, don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for more travel adventures and exploration. Hit that like button if you found this video inspiring, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means the world, and it fuels my passion for bringing you more captivating content. Until next time, happy travels, and don't forget to subscribe for more moments of serenity and discovery. Cheers!